Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Foo Factor. मैं हूँ पूजा and I am in Goa right now. And guess what? Where I'm staying? I am here at Ivy Resort at Anjuna. And I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. So सबसे पहले तो I want to make you see all this आजू बाजू की vicinity. So that's the entrance over there. And this is the reception area. ये छोटा सा पॉश एरिया है यहाँ पे एंड दिस आर द रूम्स. नीचे भी रूम्स हैं एंड ऊपर भी रूम्स हैं. आई क्विकली शो यू द पूल. Okay, that's the pool over there. So restaurant जो है वो नीचे है. So you get breakfast, lunch and dinner over here. So breakfast is included in a package and I'll suggest you also whenever you book a hotel तो वहाँ पे breakfast हमेशा include करके लो. And lunch of course you're gonna explore outside. Lunch and dinner हमेशा बाहर ही किया. Now this is a room number 215. Have the key. Let's open. It's raining so मेरे बाल wet है. So की हमने insert कर दिया. Now come. This is a room. It's twin bed. So I and my partner Ankita behind the camera. I love you, Ankita.
Love you too.
So this is a room. I'll probably sleep here and Ankita will sleep here. And हमने ये हमारा लगेज यहाँ रख दिया है. I don't know what this is. Oh, lovely. It's a cupboard. अलमारी है. But it's a very nice अलमारी ना. यहाँ पे एक सेफ रखा हुआ है. आपको कुछ अगर पैसे एंड ज्वेलरी वगैरह रखनी है, you can keep it safe. And the best part is जब भी मैं ये बंद कर रही हूँ ना तो इसकी लाइट्स ऑफ हो रही है. And when I'm opening this light on हो रही है. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but yes, ये बंद हो रहा है तो लाइट्स ऑफ हो रही है, खुल रहा है तो लाइट ऑन हो रही है. Pretty interesting. फैंसी होटल, very boutique style होटल. So ये छोटा सा टेबल है. This nice big screen TV. This is the sofa if you just want to sit and relax. I'd rather relax on the bed. Now the best part. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is a lovely, beautiful balcony. बड़ी सी balcony है जो हम open करेंगे. And you know what? अगर आप बड़ा ग्रुप है ना तो इट्स अ बिग स्ट्रेच ओवर हियर. तो सबकी बालकनीज जो है वो जॉइंड है. सो आई कैन द बालकनी ओवर देयर इज ओपन सो आई वोंट गो देयर. सो दिस इज आवर एरिया. रोड फेसिंग है ये. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस टू रिलैक्स. Ankita कुछ कहना चाह रही है. Ankita?
We have fridge as well.
Oh, we have fridge? I
Yeah.
didn't see that. Huh?
They are giving 2 complimentary bottles.
Okay.
It's here.
Where is it? It's inside?
Yeah.
Let's open. Come this side. So this is the mini fridge. जिसके अंदर हमारी complimentary bottles है. Wow, पानी. Probably we'll stock it up soon with cold drinks. And बाजू में क्या है? Oh, बाजू में this. Wow, this is nice. So cutlery है just in case आप Zomato करो तो there is already plate and spoon ready for you. Kettle है. There are 2 mugs. Ivy का logo वाला क्या बोलते हैं? I forgot. Coaster है. This is the little tea का पूरा एक kit है. तो अगर आपको टी, कॉफ़ी या for that matter milk बना के पीना है, you can use this. So I तो love this hotel. Ankita, did you like it?
I loved it.
नीचे भी कुछ है क्या? Oh, there's a drawer. Okay, कुछ रखना हो तो we can just keep it. So my best part, what I like is this balcony. इसका view green, and the best part is it's raining, तो weather भी बहुत अच्छा हो रखा है. But अभी फिलहाल मैं ये बंद करूँगी.
Because we are here for work.
We are here for work, and that probably will chill. And इसकी RSP भी tally करनी है, and there is certain sheet जो हमें go through करनी है. So there is little work. Let's go through it, Ankita.
Yes.
Till then, bye bye. I hope you like this room tour. I'm gonna put some description about the hotel in the description box. Oh, I totally forgot to show you the bathroom. So this is something I shot later. So our room has this lovely bathroom. It's very spacious and well designed. Basic toiletries and towels are provided by the hotel. That's the glass door cabin for your shower. Just for your knowledge, Ivy एक 4-star hotel है and amenities भी काफ़ी अच्छी है यहाँ की. So we तो liked it. I'm gonna put the details in the description box below. If you want to book this hotel, you can go through it. I don't know ये IB पे वगैरह available होता है नहीं होता. I think होता है. अंकिता आपने check किया था.
Yes.
So yeah, let's get back to work. Until then, see you in next video someday else. Take care. Ciao.